More? You running? Alright. More? You sure? You sure it's recording? Alright. Hello, world. Yeah. Alright, let's start over. Hello! It's me, Ace, and this is Cooking at Home. And today I'm going to show you guys how to make oodles and noodles. Oodles and noodles the proper way, the correct way, and the good way, and the correct way to eat oodles and noodles. A lot of people eat oodles and noodles with spoons. It's crazy. I never heard of that type of shit, but yeah, they do it. It's scientifically proven fact on Google. Just Google anything. Should I Google your address? Come find your ass, you bitch ass nigga. But yeah, oh yeah, back to the TV show. Yeah, I'm about to show you guys how to make oodles and noodles. Right now, I already have my pot of water boiling. As you can see, it's boiling. Oh shit! Oh! Oh! Oh shit! Yeah. My grandma gonna